Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share detail about BLONEX exchange, and here presale is now live to get the BLON token. Resale will be after 43 days, but before that you can easily check out here is also the countdown. How we are coming to this platform. We got the token price in the initial stage. In the current stage actually $0.2 that will be increase into this one that is $0.25 in the next stage. So you can easily get some more information about the volume raise and total token supply left. Be ready to join this platform where you can easily get a real utility type token and working with next AI feature. We are going to share each and everything here, like there is a total 9 stages of pre-sales and 1 billion total token supply. If you want to get entry into this platform where you want to participate into the pre-sale, that is possible, and how it works, I am going to show you. Like here, first of all, you have to connect your wallet. What you have already installed, like your Twitter, here Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Phantom Wallet, what you have installed, you can easily open the extension. I have installed my Trust Wallet, and I am going to using it. And after that, you can easily go add to connect your wallet. Once it will be successfully done, then there will be last confirmation message. I am going to click on the confirm, and now it has been connected. What if we have to select now? There are two types. Like first one is USDT, second is BNB. We can use one of them. And here you can also select the chain that is DNB and write the number of token, like a number of amount that you are going to exchange for token. Like here, if I'm going to write the 1000, then you can also check out 5,000 token will be gain. That is possible. The number of amount that have been given, you can check out, and it will be turned into this one. And after that, we will also go ahead and approve it. Even there are further information about some upcoming up-down trading, derivative trading. People will start. There are different features. If you want to get a high-performance perpetual trader feature that will be experienced in near future on the BLONEX exchange, there will be up and down trading, there is real-time risk control, transparency, and there is security on the top. So you can check the execution for the transaction is very fast. So here next you are going to join details about the AI rule enforcement system and trading plan monitor that is now live. You can check out how the discipline is going to be made. Further, you are also going to check that here are the BLON holders and their statistics that will help you. Suppose I am going to select here 1000, then here is the 1000 BLON token will be fall in the basic category. If you hold 10,000 BLON token, then you will be in the enhanced. And if you hold 100k BLON token, you will be in next month. So this is also the scenario that you are going to open where token will be used, like in the trading fee direction. There will be governance, participation, and for the loss recovery campaign and different type of reward in AI trading. Now the question is here, how much is total token supply and on which network it is based, and you can import the token through the contract address. Like here is the contract address that you can easily check out, and total token supply in categories that have been distributed or allocated with BLON token is mentioned too. Further, you are going to get some benefit. Yes, there will be lowest enterprise with the same utility. And if you are going to find some project that can be long-term, yes, this is possible. This is community-based now. There is also some price estimation. You will love it. In this stage when the price was $0.05, now price is $0.2 and there is also stage 9 price that is near to 800 plus. This is also the good percentage for the people who join in the early stage. So there is a progression way. Be ready to join, and how it works, I have shown you. You can participate, prepare your wallet that support BNB, and then you can also proceed to the next option. And here next you can check out after, like current stage is 4, and there is $0.2 and next stage is also 5, and in that price $0.25. It's mean the price will increase in next stage after 43 days later. There are stage-wise after 59 days. This is the total duration that is now active, and be ready for these some updates on it. And if you want to know about the roadmap, then here are the roadmap that is going to show you what have been done, what is going on. This is in the progress, where exchange launch officially. There will be discount and reward for people, and staking will be open. And I will also show you how they are going to expand their ecosystem. For long term this is possible, and be ready to join, get all the details here. And there is also the roadmap I have shown you, for that you can easily come into their white paper. For further, like there are more relatable details that you have to understand in their white paper why we are going to hold it. Because in the initial state, if we hold, then near future the price will be more scarce, and a more worthy token is also here. So be ready to join, and now I am going to show you what are the benefits for this staking. You can check out about the news, as I have already told you, that there is one more important thing about the BLONEX. This is AI-based. There will be exchange, as I have already shown you. This will assist the people to get entry into the transparent ecosystem with a structure that they are now searching for. Searching is now over. The role of next AI, this is also not just to make a decision. This is also going to give you support in the trading history, and it will also going to select all the data, analyze, and then it will work on the base that. And there is also the real-time token I have shown you, and presale is now live when you come on it. As there you can also check out what is the price and how you are going to get entry into this. There is BLON token. BLON token will be used for gas fee as the trading fee. There will be trading fee benefit. Additional, you can also get into these in the initial state. At the last state, that is 9. Then the price will be near to 800% in the bells benefit or positive vibe. So in this way you can also get entry into the presale that is now live, and here are all the structure. Our price are going to be shared in different stage, that if you want to understand that there is 1 state and there is 9 state, between them there is near to 800% price increase. Yes, this is also a good thing for people who want to join for long term. This is also the positive vibe that you are going to get once you join the BLON token. For that there is also some reward. For 12 months there is 85% is remaining vested over, and there is also the staking type too. You will also unlock it. For staking you can come into the dashboard. After coming into this, there is also the all interface when you come here, and there is also the staking option too. When you are going to event stake, then here is next option. You join, event, and all the detail is possible. You just need to join. Once we have opened, and I will close here, there is now swapping option from one currency into another currency. This is possible. So be ready, join, get all the details here. All the duration that you will select will be choose. There will be some reward and network. Everything is going to be handled out. So I hope you understand everything, how actually this is going to help you. For that there is also some part, like there is also staking with BLON, presale. There is also wallet base as a holder. So be ready to get all the information structure here. And I am also going to show you further about the team where you can invite their friends and make a team on tertiary level. This is going to be something really interesting for the people who want to invite their friends. They want to make a strong team behind this project. So if you want on different tied level reward, that is possible. So be ready to join, get all the details here, and the fourth phase is now live. You can easily check out BLONEX with next AI is going to be more polished. And now it's time to get some vibe with the BLONEX to support it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video.